Good morning friends. Last 2 days we visited many temples, ghats and we did a lot of other activities. Varanasi has a total of 88 ghats and more than 2000 temples. But it's not only about ghats and temples, there are many other things. Like we had also shown you some shopping, and the one interesting thing is that Varanasi is also famous for its street food. So today we thought to make one separate vlog regarding the Varanasi street food. So today throughout the day we will be having some delicious amazing Varanasi street food and we will be giving you the review of each and every single item. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, because if you watch this video then you will be able to know that what are the famous street food and delicious amazing delectable foods in Varanasi. We have come at the Blue Lassi shop. This place is really very awesome because they provide some awesome tasteful lassis. The main agenda of coming here is this place serves some variety of lassis, like variety, because we all had tasted plain lassi, mango lassi, banana lassi somewhere or the other, but these place they really have so much of ingredients they put in their lassi. Like you can get here coffee, hazelnut, pistachio, then banana, pomegranate, etc, etc, so much. Like with every fruits they try to serve with some dry fruits or some other mixture so that the lassi becomes really delicious. So we had ordered one banana pomegranate and one mixed dry fruit lassi. So first let that come, then after tasting that I can give you my review later on. And also one thing, this place is really very crowded, so we had to wait like for 10 minutes to get one seat. So I'm really excited to taste the lassis because I've heard so much of this place in videos, and after doing so much of research only then I had come over here. And at my back you can see that so many pictures are there. Like it's their tradition that whenever you come here to taste lassi, they click a picture of you and then they paste it in their wall so that it remains a memory for them. Also, if you want to give a feedback, then you can write it in a piece of paper, or with the spoon stick you can write it in that and they will paste it on their wall. It's something unique, isn't it? Seriously, awesome taste. This is the mixed dry fruit lassi that I had ordered. It took around 30 minutes to make this lassi, but the time is really worth it. You need to come here in Banaras at this Blue Lassi shop to try this saffron mixed dry fruit lassi. जस्ट नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड श्रीजी स्वीट्स। यहाँ की मिठाइयाँ बनारस में बहुत फेमस है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी दुकानें भी हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे श्रीजी स्वीट्स बहुत फेमस है, सो इसलिए हम लोग अभी आए हैं यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट जो मिठाई हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ द तिरंगा बर्फ़ी। द कलर इज़ सैफ्रॉन वाइट एंड ग्रीन। इफ़ यू कैन सी, आई ऑलरेडी हैड वन बाइट, so the shape has become like this, but the shape is that of a burfi. Now let me taste this and say you the review. Taste is really awesome. The second thing that we are gonna try is this. This looks like malai pan. The name of the sweet is Malai Gilori and it looks like malai pan. Now let me taste this and give you the review. It's similar to that of pan. I haven't tasted now Banarasi pan, I'll taste that later. But this sweet is giving me the feel of Banarasi pan. Like the pan, it's filled with malai and all. It's really awesome. Whenever you come here, don't miss this Malai Gilori and this Tiranga Barfi, which is famous. Now we are tasting the famous Malai Kulfi of Shriji Sweets. As you can see, the color is that of yellow. It's full of malai. Let me taste and give you the review. It's seriously awesome. I give 10 on 10 for this. We went to Shriji Sweets to taste the famous Malayu, जो बनारस में फेमस है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वहाँ पे जाने के बाद we didn't get that because हम लोग गर्मी के मौसम में आए हैं and Malayu is available only during winter season, that is from October till Holi only you will get Malayu. So if you want to taste Malayu you need to come in Banaras only during winter season. पर हाँ बाकी सारे मिठाई हमने जो टेस्ट किए that was seriously super awesome. At a very famous restaurant for having lunch and the name is Bati Chokha. Here you will get some authentic traditional dishes. So let's try. This is my thali for today, full of traditional dishes, so many items, and this place serves authentic Rajasthani dishes and some Bihari dishes as well. अभी शाम का वक्त है, सो आई हैव कम नियर द फेमस काशी चाट भंडार। काशी चाट भंडार में फेमस बहुत सारे चाट मिलते हैं, जैसे हम लोग ने अभी ऑर्डर किया है। दिस इज़ द टमाटर चाट। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, इट लुक्स सो डिलीशियस। अभी हम ये खाने वाले हैं और हमने सुना है कि ये टमाटर चाट बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस है। यहाँ पे बहुत वैरायटी मिलता है चाट का। यू गेट मेनी वैराइटीज़ ऑफ चाट ओवर हियर, लाइक आलू टिक्की चाट, पानी पूरी चाट, सेव पूरी चाट, टमाटर चाट, पालक पत्ता चाट, and many things are there. So we thought to taste this one. In this chaat bhandar, every minute countless chaats are being sold. We have come at Madhufilan Cafe and this cafe serves some amazing hing kachori with sabzi, some amazing jalebi, rabri, खस्ता कचौरी, समोसा चाट, कचौरी चाट, ये सब चीज़ें यहाँ पे मिलती है और छोले भटूरे ये सब भी अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे। तो हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया है 1 प्लेट खस्ता कचौरी चाट, उसके साथ नॉट चाट एक्चुअली खस्ता कचौरी, तो उसमें छोले डाल के वो लोग अच्छे से सर्व करते हैं। सो वी विल टेस्ट दैट। उसके साथ 1 प्लेट जलेबी और रबड़ी। तो मेरे हिसाब से तो ये जगह बेस्ट है क्योंकि लास्ट 2 दिनों से मैं यहीं से खा रही हूँ और मैंने 1-2 जगह भी ट्राई किया है, लेकिन मुझे ये जगह का फ्लेवर बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगा। सो आई थॉट कि मैं आप लोगों को रिकमेंड करूँ कि यहाँ का हींग कचौरी और खस्ता कचौरी टेस्ट करने के लिए। वी हैव कम टू एन एंड ऑफ द होल डे फूड ब्लॉग। So from morning till evening we had lots of food and only food. I hope you liked this vlog of street food shopping in Varanasi. Please let us know in the comment section the food that we had from morning. So how was your experience when you were watching the video, and if you also have some other suggestions regarding our food blog and all, then please do leave us in the comments. We will be happy to know that, and we will be happy to know your feedback also. But one more thing, we had so much of food, but still our Varanasi food vlog is incomplete. Can you guess the reason why? I know you have guessed it already, because जब तक बनारसी पान हम लोगों ने नहीं खाया तब तक बनारस में आना ही इनकम्प्लीट है. So let's go and taste the Banarasi पान for which this place is so famous. और हम लोग ने इतना गाना भी सुना है, जैसे खाई के पान बनारस वाला, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही ना बनारसी पान में. Let's check out that. एक अच्छा सा बनारसी पान दीजिए ना. Had the बनारसी पान in वाराणसी, सच में खाने में लाजवाब था. Whenever you come in Varanasi, do taste Banarasi pan, which obviously you will do. I am not mentioning any special place for Banarasi pan, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर दूर हर मोड़ पे आपको बनारसी पान का शॉप मिलेगा. You will get at every place. So I am not mentioning any shop. But I want you all, whenever you come here, do taste all these amazing delectable dishes that I had shown you. And if you have some other recommended choices also, then do let us know in the comment section, so that my viewers also get to know about this. I hope you liked this vlog. So here I am ending my vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope my suggestions and everything was helpful. If you loved it and if you watched it till the end, then do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because I'll be coming up with more and more new upcoming videos.